Promotional script, health and fitness videos bundle. Scene: energetic background music playing with a montage of people engaging in various fitness activities, running, yoga, weightlifting, cooking healthy meals, and smiling while exercising. Narrator: are you ready to transform your life and achieve your health and fitness goals? Look no further. Introducing the ultimate health and fitness videos bundle. Cut to a dynamic graphic display. Health and fitness videos bundle with vibrant colors and animated effects. Narrator: this all-inclusive bundle is your one-stop solution for a healthier, fitter, and happier you. Inside, you'll find a comprehensive collection of video courses, fitness programs, diet plans, and exercise videos, everything you need to succeed. Scene: clips from different video courses showing expert instructors guiding through workouts, yoga sessions, and meal prep tips. Narrator: our video courses are designed by top fitness experts and nutritionists, ensuring you get the best guidance every step of the way. From beginner to advanced levels, there's something for everyone. Cut to a person following an exercise video in their living room, then to a group workout session, and finally to a cooking tutorial for a healthy meal. Narrator: stay motivated and engaged with a variety of fitness programs tailored to your goals, whether it's losing weight, building muscle, or enhancing your overall wellness. Plus, our easy-to-follow diet plans make healthy eating simple and delicious. Scene: success stories from real users showing before and after pictures, and testimonials about their experience with the bundle. User Testimonial 1: I've never felt better. This bundle gave me the tools and confidence to take control of my health. User Testimonial 2: the workout videos are fun and effective, and the diet plans are super easy to stick to. I've seen amazing results. Cut to an animated graphic showing the contents of the bundle. Over 100 exercise videos, personalized diet plans, expert-led video courses, complete fitness programs. Narrator: what's included? Over 100 exercise videos, personalized diet plans, expert-led video courses, and complete fitness programs, all designed to help you reach your goals faster and more efficiently. Scene: a person using a tablet or smartphone to access the bundle, showing the user-friendly interface and variety of content available. Narrator: access your health and fitness videos bundle anytime, anywhere. Stream it on your favorite devices and take your fitness journey with you wherever you go. Cut to a final shot of the bundle's logo with a special offer graphic overlay. Narrator: don't wait to start your transformation. Get the health and fitness videos bundle today and unlock the path to a healthier, fitter, and happier you. Order now and get 20% off. Limited time offer. Narrator: order now and get 20% off. This limited time offer won't last long. Journey to a better you today.